This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled issue. If you're having this issue, follow these easy steps to fix it. The first solution is check for any update. Go to your App Store or Play Store. Search for Snapchat. And here, if you see any update available, then update your Snapchat app and then check the issue. The second solution is you have to clear your Snapchat cache files. So if you're an Android user, go to your Android phone settings, tap on apps and tap on Snapchat, and then you'll be able to clear your Snapchat app cache and cookies. And if you're iPhone user, then go to your settings, scroll down and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, scroll down and tap on Snapchat, tap on offload app, and then reinstall the Snapchat app from here and check the issue. The third solution is uninstall your Snapchat app and you have to reinstall it. Then check the issue. And the last solution is contact with Snapchat support. Open a browser and type Snapchat support. Open Snapchat support link. And here tap on contact us. And here select I can't access my account and select the option from here. That's how you'll be able to fix this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.